bedroom. There's a monster in my car, looking patiently on the backseat to make sure I won't drive too far. He's there when I have my coffee. It even waits for me if I lose. There's already a monster everywhere I go, so please tell me what to do. Am I dreaming? I'm paralyzed. My heart stops beating. I'm hypnotized. Am I dreaming? I'm paralyzed. My heart stops beating. I'm hypnotized. But I can stand this, baby, baby. I don't know where this might lead me to. But darling, guess what I found now lately, baby? This monster is a leftover of you. Excuse me, Mr. Monster. Yes, I know now who you are. Get off my backseat. Get out the car. Leave the office. Leave my scene.